This week, I'm going to teach you a magic phrase that allows you to buy time when someone comes to you with an idea and you don't want to answer right away. You need a little bit of time or space. Hi, this is Larry Kaye with ShadowAnyone.com. I'm the creator of the Investigator's Ultimate Guide series, which is premium private investigator training from someone who's been there and done that. Been there, done that. Again, I held a position. I was a security manager. And so this week's phrase is particularly good for supervisors and managers, although it can be very helpful for a lot of different people. And what it does is it allows you to buy time so you don't make a hasty decision right on the spot. This is a bonus magic phrase, actually, because it's not in my book, 51 Magic Phrases to Get What You Want. The Secrets to Instant Influence for Private Investigators, Process Servers, Security Guards, and You. That's a book right for those of us in this security and investigations industry. So here's a bonus, if you've got that book already, a little bonus phrase for you. The phrase is full consideration, and you would use it in this type of context when someone presents an idea to you. You can say, I'd like to give that my full consideration. Or, let me get back to you. I want to make sure that I give this my full consideration. And what this person hears is that you're really going to consider it. You're going to take time. You're not going to just say no out of hand. By the same token, you just can't say yes to everything either, right? This is one of those magic phrases that works great in person verbally, but it also works great as an email response or a written response, anything like that. So as a manager, a supervisor, and even as somebody up and coming in this industry, keep this in mind. Dismissing these magic phrases is kind of like having a white belt mentality, right? In martial arts, you learn a few things, or you know a few things that you think will work, or maybe they've even worked for you in the past. But the idea that you're just going to stay a white belt, no, you need to advance up the ladder and become better and better. So do not have a white belt mentality. Learn these magic phrases. If you need a quick, easy place to get a bunch of them, then please do check out my book, 51 Magic Phrases to Get What You Want. It's designed for people in our industry. In the meantime, this is Larry Kaye with ShadowAnyone.com. Remember, do the right thing, even if it's the hard thing.